Hi, welcome back to British Education Services. I have already uploaded some videos regarding nanny course and all in the same channel, and today I am here with some new updates regarding nanny caregiver course and all. After 2020, in 2020 February, that's the last date we got a visa under the nanny caregiver program, and after that we have filed many cases, but we haven't got any visa. Not me, not anyone else. I mean, see, after 2020 February, we have nobody got any visa, and if anybody telling that they got any visa, so that's a fake one. There is a hope now because we have some new updates. So some updates we are getting. They are asking for new information and all. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. See, actually I haven't uploaded any videos yet for the last 6 to 8 months, just because we usually get many calls after uploading a video, so we were not able to answer them. So that's the reason we haven't made any new videos, but still at present we are focusing on new videos and all, because we need to give you the updates of this same field, right? So as you know that see, it's a program which is started in 2019 to Home Support Worker Pilot and Home Child Support Worker Pilot. So under these both programs, we have around 2,750 visas, and also we have 2,750 PR cases, right? So, but actually what happened is after 2020 February, we got the pandemic and all. So till now we haven't got any visa, but after, see, in 2021 August, almost we have uploaded around 60 plus cases for the same, and almost all of them got some mails and regarding their signature updations, their document updations, and IELTS scores updations and all. So actually it means that the program is rolling on, so it will be up to 2024 June. That's the normal date, and see, they will extend, obviously they will extend the dates. So we hope before 2022 February, January or February, almost all the students who have applied for the visa in 2019, 20 and 21 will get the visas, right? So, and about the filing, at present we are not filing any cases, but we will start filing from January 2022. And so the childcare quota is already full for the 2021 section, and the 21 section we have old care quotas. So if you are interested in that, so you can file for that, right? And so if you are new to this video and new to this channel, you need to know that what's the program is. In Canada we have two programs under caregiver section. So the programs are Home Support Worker Pilot and Home Child Support Worker Pilot. So both the programs requires very less requirements. So the first requirement is that you should have at least 13 years of academics, which means you cannot go if you are a +2 one. You need to do at least 1 year course after +2. And the second thing is you need to do the nanny course. So we will take care of that. We have a 6 months completely packed internationally valid certificate and internationally recognized syllabus and all. So we have recognizations from Government of Punjab, Government of India, and also we have recognizations from International Nanny Association, Canadian Nanny Association, and many other affiliations and accreditations we have. So you can go to our website www.britishedu.in for more updates. So there is a tab, you can search for that. So we have many affiliations and accreditations. So our certificates are packed with QR code, barcode, and registration numbers and all. So it's not from our end. I mean, see, actually we are not giving our institute certificate to you. We will be giving certificate from the council, so which is under the Government of India. So which means we are giving you a 100% government certificate. That's the speciality of ours. So there would be many institutes in Punjab. So, but not mostly, almost all are giving their own certificate, which is means ABCD Institute, BBCD Institute. So that's their names, and they will give you the certificate under their name only. So, and see, we have online and offline sections. In online, we have new batches every first and third month. So sorry, third week. And see, in institute also we started 2 batches in a month, first week and third week. So we have institutes in Punjab, in different places in Punjab. So in Jalandhar, Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Ludhiana, Shangarur, and Chandigarh. See, Chandigarh, actually we are going to open in Chandigarh also. So these are the new updations. So if you're interested in nanny caregiver program, course, or any other services, you can contact us. We will be here to sort your queries up. So we have a WhatsApp number. We have 2 WhatsApp numbers in this number in this video. So if you have some doubts, you can message us on WhatsApp. But if you are trying to call us, maybe we will be busy. Maybe. So if you are not getting us, just leave us a message on WhatsApp. So we will contact you back. So that's the first thing. So the people who already applied, don't worry. So you will be getting updates as soon as possible. It means almost soon you will get updates. And some students have another doubt, which is regarding their WES reports. Means there is a program called ECI, Education Credential Assessment. So there are 5 agencies there are. And normally people choose WES or ICAS or IQS. So IQS and ICAS is difficult to apply nowadays because they have already set a time to apply, and it's difficult to get an appointment, right? So, and WES, about WES, so we can apply for WES. It takes around 40 to 45 days to get the WES report. But normally what happens nowadays, what happens is they are sending soft copies. I mean, see, you can download the PDF from their website, but you are not getting, you may not be getting the paper version. For that, the people who have applied in 2020 and 2019 or 21 beginning, so what you have to do is contact their customer service form. So there is a form, contact form in the website itself. So click there and fill up the forms, and they will message you, mail you on your mail ID, registered mail ID. So if they are asking for address clarifications, address updations or something, just do that. They will send your WES report form on your mailing address. So that's the updation. Don't worry, don't panic about your WES report also. It will also come. So it will, normally it takes time. So at present, because of the COVID and all, but normally it was around 2 to 3 months in total WES certifications. But at present, it's somewhat difficult to get into 2 to 3 months. So if you want to do your nanny course, WES or nanny visa filing and anything, so you can contact us. We are here in Amritsar, Jalandhar, Gurdaspur, Ludhiana, Shangarur, anywhere you can meet us. Otherwise, you can contact us on WhatsApp or in any online forms. We have a YouTube channel, Facebook IDs, and we have phone numbers and all this, email ID we have, so you can go through. And whatever doubts you have, you can go through the Canadian website, canada.ca. So get convinced, and if you are sure that you need to go ahead with that, so you can contact us for the rest of the things. And about the assessments, right? So if you have some certificates but you're not sure that whether you have to go under this program or not, so we have an assessment program. So under the assessment program, what you can do is just send us your documents, and we charge 3,000 for the assessment, and we will go through and let you know that whether you are eligible or not. And the second thing is, if you are eligible, then what we do is we will give you a detailed report how can you get the visa, right? So go through, and so if you think the video is valuable, so just share it out. And so if you think you need some more information regarding nanny caregiver courses, and we have options for UK also, in any countries, wherever it is, if it is under the caregiver section, we will be updating you on the same channel. So thanks for watching, and if you have any kind of doubts, you can comment us on the same channel, same video. And if you have some if you want to show some love, just subscribe us and share with your friends if you think it's valuable. Thanks for watching.